Air filter. This is for my 2002 Expedition. This also fits my 2015 F-150. I use these in my F-150, but I just got 2002 Expedition. This is the air filter, and I noticed they work pretty well. In my F-150, whoever had it previously smoked in it, and I didn't know that until I would use the air conditioner and you'd smell smoke inside the car, and it drove me nuts for a while. Then I realized I never replaced my cabin filter. So as soon as I replace that, I don't smell that smoke anymore. So if you have a car that has like a smoke smell, possibly the cabin filter, and also my Expedition has like a weird smell as well when you turn the air on sometimes. And it's weird, it's like not all the time. It's the cabin filter, and it hit me. I was like, I need to replace the cabin filter in this. So yeah, I use these in my Ford for years in my F-150 and no issues. So I really like them. They're really inexpensive as well. Easy to replace-ish. Actually, they're pretty simple. A couple screws. There we are.